Hello, my name is Mark Ciminello, and I am a Senior Enterprise Cloud Architect here at SAP. Today, I will be presenting on how you can unlock the full potential of an intelligent enterprise with SAP Leonardo. Today's agenda will address industry trends, an introduction to SAP Leonardo, and a discovery of the Leonardo technologies. I'll address how rapid innovation can be used to drive idea generation and problem solving. Then I'll cover some examples of Leonardo being applied, including connected categories and how you can leverage industry accelerators to drive the process, and provide some examples of what other customers are doing that have already achieved success. The speed and force of innovation is rapidly moving through the economics of business. The need to innovate is no longer a need for thriving in the economy, but is now transformed to a need for survival. According to Forbes, some 72% of CEOs believe the next 3 years will be more critical for their industry than the last 50 years. The business world is rapidly digitizing, breaking down industry barriers and creating new opportunities while destroying long successful business models. We call this process digital disruption, and although sweeping technology-enabled change often takes longer than we expect, history shows that the impact of such change can be greater than we ever imagined. This according to MIT Sloan School of Management. Increasing digitization also offers opportunities. Companies can leverage strong customer relationships and increase cross-selling opportunities. Indeed, MIT found that companies that had 50% or more of their revenues from digital ecosystems and understood their end customers better than the average competitor had 32% higher revenue growth and 27% higher profit margins than their industry averages. Accenture, together with leading analyst firm Forrester, found that only 5% of organizations feel that they have mastered digital to a point of differentiation from their competitors. The reality is that many companies don't know what steps to take to become digital, where to begin their journey to digital, or how to be sure they won't waste money on innovation they can't implement to drive better business results. So while executives understand the need to change and the need to innovate, they don't necessarily know how to go about this. SAP sees a massive opportunity to help our customers take and complete this digital journey, not just to innovate, but to become scaled digital businesses. Organizations need a partner to help them innovate quickly and go digital while protecting their core investments. SAP is that partner. Why now? New technologies are now supporting a digital transformation. Big data, for example, business networks, cloud applications, the Internet of Things, and SAP Suite for HANA makes data at volume viable to use in real or near real time. Massive improvements in hardware, graphics processing units, multi-core CPUs and sensors are at a cheaper cost than ever before. And deep learning algorithms are freely available with significant investment from major organizations, leading to further optimization and innovation. Why cloud? SAP offers the most comprehensive solutions from core to the edge of the network in order to connect anything to your business, to enable intelligence at the edge and automate decision making. The SAP Cloud Platform, SAP's Platform as a Service offering, has the application services and components that can dramatically reduce the time to modify, deploy, and build complete new solutions. SAP sees an opportunity to bring our industry and process expertise together with expertise in new technologies and help our customers take and complete this digital journey, not just to innovate, but to become scaled digital businesses. Becoming a digital business requires business models and business process changes that no single technology can deliver, which is why SAP is relaunching Leonardo to bring together SAP's experience, deep process, and industry knowledge with IoT, machine learning, big data analytics on the SAP Cloud Platform, and other emerging technologies like blockchain. SAP Leonardo is not a single product, but rather a digital innovation system that enables our customers to rapidly innovate and rapidly scale that innovation to redefine their business model, business process, and essentially business for the digital world. Leonardo is essentially a portfolio of technologies that allow us to use a systemic approach to deliver digital innovation. Using SAP Leonardo, you'll be able to innovate using the latest technologies without having to invest in large in-house teams of experts in each, so you can focus on business innovation, not technology. Leonardo is also built to be modular, so you can take one step at a time to move up the maturity curve of becoming a global digital business. While we hope you'll build your business using technologies from SAP, we know that vendor lock-in is a scary prospect, so Leonardo is designed to be open, so customers and partners have flexibility to integrate seamlessly with SAP and non-SAP technology. Let's take a look at those technologies more in depth. First up is the Internet of Things. IoT is a network of physical objects or things, vehicles, machines, home appliances, and more that use sensors and APIs to connect and exchange data over the Internet. The IoT portfolio with the Plat One acquisition, along with other related technologies, means we now have a comprehensive offering that can bring data in from the field and put intelligence out to the field. Big data, together with technologies that include blockchain and machine learning, give us a very broad portfolio and rounds out the technology portfolio. Big data is that ocean of information we swim in every day. Vast zettabytes of data flowing from our computers, mobile devices, and machine sensors. With the right big data tools, your organization can store, manage, and analyze this data and gain valuable insights that were previously unimaginable. Analytics brings together business intelligence, predictive, and planning in one platform. Built on a strategy of using analytical insights to drive business actions, our analytics platforms support every phase of the analytics lifecycle, from data to discovery to deployment. Leonardo brings all of this together within its portfolio of technologies. Data intelligence is our data network offering, the first of which is Fieldglass Insights, which leverages data accumulated from Fieldglass to allow customers to make strategic choices, say, for example, between permanent and temporary hires. For the next decade or so, artificial intelligence and machine learning will be the backbone innovations in how we get value from data. SAP has built a number of applications using machine learning, but only scratched the surface. There are advances in user interface. Today, you adapt how you work to the application. In the future, applications will adapt to you. Conversational UI is the future, just as there was a fundamental shift from the cell phone to the smartphone. And advances in quantum computing, overtaking the most powerful supercomputers in the world, it's really not that far away. What is blockchain technology? The simplest definition is a reliable, difficult to hack record of transactions and of who owns what. Blockchain is based on distributed ledger technology, which securely records information across a peer-to-peer network. Blockchain ledgers can include land titles, loans, identities, logistics manifest, almost anything of value. The technology is still new, but the potential impact it can have on business is very exciting. So these are the technologies of SAP Leonardo: analytics, IoT, big data, data intelligence, blockchain, and machine learning. And these technologies run on the SAP Cloud Platform, a strategic platform as a service infrastructure that provides the framework for SAP Leonardo. Additionally, SAP Cloud Platform provides end-to-end microservices for machine learning, analytics, big data, security, user experience, user management, and back-end integration application program interfaces. Further, by supporting Cloud Foundry and partnering with Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, SAP is supporting a multi-cloud infrastructure to run on either SAP or some of SAP's partners such as Google, Microsoft, and AWS. Now that you understand the technologies of Leonardo, let's consider the next innovation process and idea generation, or the ideation process of rapid innovation, design thinking. Adding to and driving the technologies to business cases behind Leonardo is design thinking. which has become the standard by which companies find solutions and create value. Now, most companies are optimized to execute and solve a stated problem. Creativity is about finding the problem worth solving. Design thinking supports idea creation, ideation, and vision, moving forward to rapid prototyping, bringing ideas to life through iteration and refinements, to integration blueprint by creating technology roadmaps, complete with dependencies and risk mediation. At the end of the cycle is the business case development, where we create, test, and refine business case for ROI and strategic value. At its core, design thinking is a human-centered approach to innovation. It helps identify the optimal customer experiences and highlights the problems worth solving. The process emboldens companies to become empathetic, to better understand the needs and innovation opportunities of customers, and to be collaborative across functions to bring diverse perspectives to create more coherent customer experience. It is highly iterative to more quickly understand market feedback and success. Design thinking nurtures and scales creativity across the organization, dissolving the corporate cholesterol and delivering meaningful innovation. So this is the complete picture. But Leonardo isn't about technology, it's about business. And the real value and the power is when these technologies all work seamlessly together to solve a business problem. Yet, SAP is not only bringing Leonardo to customers and partners to power their applications, we're also going to use Leonardo to make every SAP application from Ariba to S/4HANA more powerful, more intelligent, and more capable for our customers. By doing so, we essentially unlock a steady cycle of innovation by infusing Leonardo into the depth and breadth of the entire SAP portfolio. Confident in the capabilities of Leonardo, we use it to enhance our system of record solutions. At some point, with the Internet of Things, every business will be connected to everything. The SAP Leonardo IoT Foundation is insight-oriented and provides high-level view and information about the product, helping you improve the design. The IoT Edge encompasses operation of the particular equipment pieces, providing a unique view of the customer. Networks connect everything together, blending value of information from all customers' equipment. The SAP Leonardo portfolio empowers live business by connecting the emerging world of intelligent devices with people and processes to achieve tangible business outcomes. SAP Leonardo combines adaptive applications, streaming analytics, device management, big data management, and edge computing and packaged solutions across lines of business and industry use cases, ranging from connected products, assets, and infrastructures to vehicle fleets, markets, and people. Connected products, connected assets, connected fleets, connected infrastructures, connected markets, connected people. And the SAP Leonardo Bridge combines real-time information from connected things with business processes to turn extended supply chains into live supply chain environments. These end-to-end solutions are built on a technology foundation that enables SAP, our customers, and our partners to build IoT solutions with a consistent framework. Let's explore one of these in a little bit more detail. Let's consider an example from Trenitalia, an SAP customer. Trenitalia is the primary train operator in Italy.
Trenitalia is the leading Italian rail transport operator, wholly owned by the Gruppo Ferrovie dello Stato Italiane SPA. We carry about 2 million passengers every day, with volumes of up to 250 million train kilometers on an annual basis. We are organized into different business units, which cover long-distance passenger transport, commuter traffic, and freight services on both a national and international basis.
Our goal is to carry out conditional maintenance, rather than, as has previously been the case, according to a fixed schedule based on time or number of kilometers.
The new Dynamic Maintenance Management System is a project developed in partnership with SAP, which exploits the full potential of the SAP HANA platform. One aspect that puts us ahead of the competition in the transportation market is the large amounts of data managed on an annual basis, which will exceed 700 terabytes.
The ETR 1000 is a technologically advanced train which is designed to reach a speed of up to 360 kilometers per hour. In a high-speed system, everything, the entire system, must run at the same speed. So it's vital that maintenance facilities can react rapidly to operational stresses as well.
For the railway sector, the most innovative aspect of the Internet of Things is the large number of sensors that are on board the trains. The sensors record many different parameters, like temperatures, pressures, and so on. The data is processed by SAP HANA, and the system then provides the rules to define the required maintenance actions.
To be able to anticipate events and maintenance operations will enable our company to reduce errors and make processes more efficient, and also deliver better services with continuously improving quality standards.
We expect a reduction of maintenance costs of 8 to 10%, which, for our company, is a very significant value, because every year we spend around 1.3 billion euro on maintenance. It will also improve the reliability of trains, and with that, we have less failures and a better availability. Therefore, we will have more trains available to provide more services. In that way, we can provide a better service to our customers.
SAP helps Trenitalia run simple.
With the launch of SAP Leonardo, we also announced the availability of SAP Leonardo Industry Accelerators. Working with the SAP Industry Business Units, we identified customers that had already realized success working with SAP on digital innovation projects, and we transformed those use cases into repeatable solutions. Each fixed-price accelerator brings together SAP's industry expertise, software, and design thinking to rapidly go from brainstorming to blueprint to business value within 8 weeks. There are currently 10 industry accelerators available today, covering a wide variety of industries. And if there's not an accelerator already available for a customer's needs, then they can leverage our open innovation path, leveraging our design thinking services to explore, discover, and deploy a prototype, technical blueprint, and business case. There's one price per accelerator. Each accelerator includes Leonardo Innovation Services, express an annual contract for the cloud licenses with a minimum 2-year contract term. While the bill of material does not support modifications, it can be extended with additional solutions and services. Accelerators can also be stacked to accumulate larger projects. They have no additional discounts, are available in most regions, and only direct sales are allowed. Partner reselling, however, is in planning. An SAP Leonardo engagement starts with a design thinking workshop. During this 2-week engagement, an industry use case is identified and rapidly proceeds to building an interactive prototype. This enables us to quickly establish whether there is a fit with one of our industry innovation accelerators and Leonardo Innovation Services Express, or whether a deeper custom engagement is required. With the Leonardo Innovation Services Express, we leverage the innovation accelerators, which are an 80% their solution, and additional work is done to refine the solution, leveraging an SAP reference within 8 weeks. With the deep dive engagement, there is much more work to be done in all stages of the discovery, design, and prototyping and delivery. If the solution is repeatable, the output from the engagement will form the basis for a future innovation accelerator. Implementation at this point goes directly to the developer toolset, where they begin to develop the code, implement, and deploy the project out to a customer's SAP Cloud Platform solution. Customers will then be able to operate and manage the solution to provide value realization. The solution then scales up and repeats with new ideas, as again, transformation is often a multi-step iterative process. Let's take a quick look at other SAP customers that have embraced SAP Leonardo and the value they receive from the digital innovation system. With limited area for cargo handling, Hamburg Port Authority must make sure that every player across the port supply chain is connected. To this end, it worked with T-Systems and SAP Cloud Platform to develop the Smart Port Logistics Platform to increase efficiency and capacity. They were looking for real-time information exchange, greater cargo handling speed and capacity, and interconnected infrastructure to extend the port's lifetime, offer new services, and transport goods more safely and effectively. They chose to work with SAP and SAP Cloud Platform to enable real-time processing of and role-based access to unstructured data. What they did was build the Smart Port Logistics Platform using SAP Network Logistics Hub to connect supply chains end-to-end. They work with T-Systems to integrate telematics, upgrade mobile terminal services, and build geofences for communication integration, implemented a DAK-OSY logistics solution, and connected the entire port supply chain, providing everyone with complete traffic information. This enabled graphic representations of truck positions and infrastructure status. The end result was that they were able to reduce 5 minutes of driving time saved per truck per hour, equaling 5,000 hours per day over 40,000 trips. They also reduced wait time for drivers, increased throughput for freight handlers, and literally doubled cargo handling capability within the port. A second example, ARI, is one of the EU's largest fleet management companies. They're really struggling with customer satisfaction and the general lack of data from their fleet. By using SAP Leonardo for IoT, predictive analytics, and telematics, they began to track every aspect of their entire fleet, things such as location, fuel levels, speed, and repairs. With this new data, they were able to improve their customer satisfaction and triple the amount of vehicles in their fleet.
There's two key action points which are key to ARI DNA, and it's sense and respond. We sense what's going to happen in the marketplace, where trends are going, and then we respond to it.
We spend a great deal of time and we put a lot of investments in our technology and our people to normalize that information. So when it is rendered, it is a story that is discernible and can be easily understood.
We correlate time with value. So we're looking at putting new technologies in place that help our customers shrink the amount of time it takes from a business event occurring to an action to be taken. We look at the roadmap items and say, these 8 things do that. They become a priority.
The purpose of our roadmap is to help shape and define the future. And we get information from various data points. One is customer and customer interaction. So part of that roadmap is more short term, the next 3-6 months. And we also have what we consider a little bit longer term. So what's happening in the industry, what's going on the next year or two. Then more visionary type things that we're bringing to the marketplace that no one else is not even thinking right now.
We've got 5 or 6 items that are either delivered or soon to be delivered to market that we're building on top of our big data strategy. The new lifecycle analysis tool, the new VRAM model, the vendor locator, spec catalog ordering, geofencing and downtime tracking. If you figure that downtime costs companies money, the holy grail of the fleet management business is to know and manage downtime. Not just know the vehicle's down and get it fixed and back on the road quickly, but start to trend it so we know certain vehicles are down more than others. We're building a tool called VRAM, Vehicle Replacement Analysis Model, that will answer the question for the client, which vehicle should I replace? Downtime is one aspect of that. Another holy grail of the industry. What's my estimated delivery date? They want to know when the vehicle will be in the driver's hands. Our new order status module will build that predictive model around when you place the order, type of vehicle, type of upfitting required. Just knowing that information is invaluable.
Vehicles are all on different driving patterns, different months in service, different odometer readings, different usages, different spends, different occurrences. You have to get it down to one figure.
Connected vehicles bring about a lot of data. Our vehicle scorecard is a way of showing across all of these different data points, how does a vehicle score? One score that normalizes all the other data.
All that information putting on a scorecard sounds simple to do, but it's very complex. And the complexity gets into all the sources, the variety of information that's coming in, and the different ways it's calculated.
Now that you understand what SAP Leonardo is and how to get started, let me show you a couple of examples of great innovations that SAP has built to showcase Leonardo capabilities. The Velotics physical e-bike demo provides IoT data about a bicycle, and then using augmented and virtual reality, it produces a physical model of the bike to which you can interact within the store by store personnel to help troubleshoot problems or understand root cause of existing issues. Utilizing voice recognition technology and machine learning and integrated with systems such as SAP SuccessFactors HCM applications, employees and managers can simply ask for HR information. This could be things like benefits, pay stub information, or request leave without touching a computer. And then finally, Smart Building provides a working physical model of a building where you can control lighting, control elevators, control the HVAC units, as well as monitor the condition of the equipment so that predictive maintenance can be used to predict when failures are about to occur and potentially dispatch service personnel ahead of the time to be able to resolve the issue prior to any downtime. Why SAP? Well, SAP has 45 years of experience and expertise across 26 industries. Plus, we have tremendous benchmarking experience, off-the-shelf applications, as well as the services and the ecosystem to rapidly innovate and scale. SAP has a commitment to Industry 4.0 and IoT with a €2 billion investment through the year 2020. To sum up, we've discussed how SAP Leonardo is a holistic digital innovation system that seamlessly integrates future-facing technologies and capabilities into the SAP Cloud Platform using our design thinking services. This powerful portfolio enables you to rapidly innovate, scale new models, and continually redefine your business. And Leonardo is designed to be adaptable and open to bring innovation at scale to every industry. Our flexible approach lets you build a solution specific to your industry or business need. To facilitate more rapid implementation, an initial set of pre-built accelerators are available today in numerous industries, with more accelerators coming. SAP Leonardo will unlock the full potential of the intelligent enterprise. Next steps, why not engage with the SAP Leonardo Design Studio team to schedule an exploration workshop and determine the best way forward. Thank you, and I sincerely hope you learned from and enjoy the presentation. Hopefully you can now see how to unlock the full potential of an intelligent enterprise with SAP Leonardo.